The much-awaited comeback of the Nissan Murano is set to cause a seismic shift in the crossover SUV category. Even though it created a splash when it debuted in 2003, the Murano has been unable to keep up with the competition since the introduction of more modern SUVs. It appears like Nissan is getting ready to give its legendary two-row crossover a new lease of life. New spy photographs show what may be the 2025 Murano, a daring return that could shake things up in the market. Even with all that concealment, the spy images show a sleeker, more contemporary design. The vehicle now has a more athletic and dynamic appearance thanks to modifications including a sloping roofline and a smaller rear quarter window. Some have even drawn comparisons between its shape and the Genesis GV70, a high-end luxury vehicle, suggesting that Nissan is taking design cues from that vehicle. This change could put the Murano in a better position to attract a wider range of buyers, from those looking for a luxury crossover to those who drive their cars on a daily basis. Spy shots show what appear to be exhaust pipes on the 2025 Murano, dispelling earlier claims of an all-electric model and suggesting that the gasoline engine will likely be retained, at least for the time being. Nissan is rumored to be sticking with the V6 engine from earlier Murano models, according to industry experts. Even though an electric version might be coming soon, the 2025 Murano appears to be concentrating on the tried-and-true performance of the internal combustion engine, possibly with improvements to efficiency and power delivery. The inside of the 2025 Murano is expected to keep its current two-row seating arrangement, offering enough room for 5 passengers. For smaller families or individuals seeking the versatility of an SUV without the necessity of a third row, this configuration is perfect. Another rumor floating around is that Nissan's Infiniti brand will be releasing a more premium Murano variant, maybe dubbed the QX65. Drivers seeking a premium experience would be catered to by this variant's more refined interior and higher-end design elements. The base price of a 2025 Murano is likely to be approximately $37,000, with the top trim level perhaps going as high as $49,000. There will be a familiar structure to the trim levels, with options ranging from the base model to luxury variants with extra equipment, though Nissan has not officially confirmed all the details. We anticipate the 2025 Nissan Murano's official unveiling in the first quarter of 2024, with the car hitting showrooms in the second half of the same year. There will be no doubt that the Murano will shake up the SUV industry with its redesigned exterior, tried-and-true V6 engine, and possible technological enhancements.